Okay, everybody, we have 10 minutes to air.
Ow!
What?
You stepped on me. Right on my face. Give me a little bite.
Knock it off.
Ah!
Like, what's your deal anyway? What are you supposed to be?
Long ago I was human like you. I heckled a talk show taping and a gypsy cursed me to forever be trod upon by television personalities.
Well, that doesn't explain why you're trying to eat my foot.
Back in the 60s, some long-haired, barefoot hippie stagehand stepped on one of my nails. Now I have a taste for human blood, and I must feed.
I said knock it off. You're not interrupting an episode of Hashtag Hot Seat on my watch.
I've learned not to heckle anymore. I'm not a dick, okay? But I will heckle your show if you don't give me some of that sweet crimson human life juice.
Okay. Look, if you promise to keep quiet, when we wrap up, I'll let you eat an intern.
Every step you take, I'll be under you.